Hello, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Driven Dave here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Today's video is really fun for me because I get to do an upgrade that I've been wanting to do ever since I got the car. Now, I'm a huge fan of having some sidewall, which is why I like the 18-inch wheels. But the thing I really hate about having the 18-inch wheels on my Tesla Model 3 is that I have those horrible looking Aero wheel covers. Y'all know the ones. They look pretty rough. They kind of remind me of just like frumpy looking like hospital shoes or something. They're just terrible. So I know they're efficient and everything, but they really don't do a good job of protecting the rim, and they certainly don't do a good job of looking slick. So today, my new friends at Tlyard have sent me some really cool, super cool wheel covers that kind of transform your car into looking like a Model 3 Performance. You're not going to believe it. It's really amazing. They're easy to install. You don't need any tools. They just slap right on the car. They mount exactly the same as the horrible looking Aero wheel covers. So in this video, we're going to do a little unboxing. I'm going to show you everything that's included. I'm going to show you how to install all the little accessories, and then finally how to remove the old wheel covers and install the new ones, and then we're going to see how it looks. I hope you enjoy it. This was a really fun video to make. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and check the link in the description. More about that right now. Be sure to check the link in the description and visit the Tlyard website to check out all the products they have, including these beautiful wheel covers. Here you can see side by side with the Uberturbine on the right and the stock Aero covers on the left. You can see the Uberturbine-style is much improved. And now we're going to unbox these. You're going to see what comes in the box. Don't forget to use coupon code DRIVENDAVE. And there they are side by side for comparison. You can see the Uberturbine covers a lot more of the wheel. It's got a larger diameter, particularly for the outside. But you'll also notice it has the same clips and mounting style as the original. We're just going to take out all 4 wheel covers, check them out. It also comes with this really cool insulation tape that's going to protect your wheels. And also 2 styles of wheel covers, the white Tesla logo as you can see, and also this blacked out Tesla logo. You can see we're test fitting the white Tesla logo, and then we'll also take a look at what the black looks like. That's my preference. To install these, all you need to do is remove the adhesive backing on the back, and there's also a protective plastic covering on the front. Once you have those removed, all you have to do is put them in place on the center of the wheel cover. This can be a little tricky. All you want to do is make sure it's all centered up before pressing down in the center to make sure that the adhesive bites down on the wheel cover. Once you've done that, make sure to remove the package protective covering on the inner ring. Once you've completed all of that, you're going to take this insulation tape, kind of a weather stripping, and you're going to apply it to the edge of the wheel cover on the inside. You just want to go all the way around. Once that's complete, you're going to remove your factory wheel covers. You're just going to grab kind of firmly and pull. And this is a great time to clean off the rims. I just used a microfiber cloth, but you may choose to use soap and water. Once that's clean, you're going to find the valve stem hole in the wheel cover and then also the valve stem on the wheel itself. And all you need to do to install these, you're going to line up that hole first. Once that's lined up, you just want to center the wheel cover. And then you're just going to apply some pressure, give it a couple of good bangs until those clips bite. And just go around the whole wheel until it seats properly. I like to just kind of hit all the way around to make sure. And there you go. You've transformed the look of your car in under a minute. Now we'll compare that with the stock Aero covers. huge improvement. Now you'll see I have curved my wheel here, which I'm not proud of, and also the stock Aero covers actually scratched the wheel without me even knowing it. So if I wanted to run without wheel covers, I'd have to live with these scratches. The great thing about these Tlyard wheel covers is that we're going to cover all of that up. No more curb rash, no more scratches. Same procedure as before, line up the valve stem and just pop it on there. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Boom, curb rash is gone, scratches gone. That is nice. Moving around to the other side of the car, you'll see that we have those same scratches from the stock Aero covers. And again, we don't have to worry about that because we're just going to cover them up. We're going to line up the valve stem with the valve stem hole, same procedure as the others. And we're just going to install this. Boom, done. And now the last wheel, same procedure as the others, same scratches from the stock Aero covers as the other wheels. Line up the valve stem hole and insert the clips. Done. Beautiful. And check that out. Just as a reminder, if you want to get yourself a set of these wheel covers and really improve the look of your car, don't forget to check the link in the description. That's going to be a link that's going to take you directly to these wheel covers, and use coupon code DRIVENDAVE to save yourself some cash and get your ride looking sharp. Here's how the car looks going down the road, and I think that is a substantial upgrade. Looks just like a Model 3 Performance. Now all I need to do is get the spoiler. These really do give the illusion of having a larger wheel and still maintaining that sidewall. There you have it, everybody. What do you think? I think it turned out absolutely fantastic. I love the look of these wheel covers, and I think you're going to love them too on your car. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Stay driven.